Understanding unity, we stand together. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the phrase, we stand together. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a powerful expression of unity and support. Whether you're mastering English for personal growth, professional development, or just out of sheer love for the language, understanding such phrases enriches your communication skills. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Literally, stand means to be in an upright position on one's feet. However, when we say, we stand together, we're not just talking about the physical act of standing. Figuratively, it means to unite in support or in defense of a common cause or belief. It implies solidarity and a shared strength among a group of people. You might encounter "we stand together" in various contexts. 1. Social movements. In rallies or protests, this phrase is a rallying cry, signifying unity among the participants. 2. Team environments. In sports or work settings, it expresses team spirit and camaraderie. 3. Difficult times. During crises or challenges, it is used to show support and collective resilience. The phrase also holds cultural significance. It is often used in speeches, patriotic songs, and literature to evoke a sense of belonging and collective identity. When leaders say, "we stand together," it's a call to unite and face challenges with a shared purpose. While "we stand together" is straightforward, similar phrases like "we stand united" or "we stand as one" echo the same sentiment. Understanding these variations helps in grasping the subtle nuances of the English language. In conclusion, "we stand together" is more than a phrase. It's a powerful expression of unity, support, and collective strength. Whether in times of challenge or celebration, it reminds us of the importance of solidarity. I hope this video not only enhances your language skills but also inspires a sense of togetherness in your daily life. Keep learning and stay united in your language journey.